Inventory stock turns, or turnover, is a key metric for retailers, measuring how efficiently they manage their stock and offers a multitude of benefits for the retailer, including helping them operate more efficiently and ultimately increase profitability. A high stock turn indicates a quick turnaround, meaning inventory is sold and replaced quickly, suggesting efficient inventory management. By monitoring how quickly inventory converts to cash, known as liquidity, retailers and investors can assess their financial health and make informed decisions about investments in cash flow management. Inventory stock turns helps retailers identify the optimal amount of stock to hold. This reduces the risk of understocking, which can result in lost sales, and overstocking, which can lead to obsolescence and markdowns. Conversely, understanding inventory turnover helps retailers determine the optimal price point for their products, thus ensuring that they are maximizing profitability while remaining competitive in the market. Setting a high inventory turnover generally translates to higher profits. By minimizing the amount of capital tied up in inventory, retailers free up resources for other investment and growth opportunities. The turnover rate for a nursery and garden center typically ranges from 2 to 2.5. This means that, on average, these businesses sell and replace their inventory twice or 2.5 times annually. Meanwhile, Opsuite has seen some of its nursery and garden center customers achieve a rate of 3.8 and 4.3, where these key performance indicators have helped them expand their operations and grow to several locations. By demonstrating effective inventory management, nurseries and garden centers can build a stronger relationship with their suppliers. This can lead to better deals, improved communications, and more reliable deliveries. Tracking inventory turnover helps retailers determine the effectiveness of their promotions and marketing campaigns. This allows them to optimize their campaigns for profitability and maximize their return on investment. Opsuite's Inventory Performance Report analyzes inventory stock turns initially from a department level. It can offer valuable insights into your overall inventory management and identify potential areas for improvement. To use effectively, first, identify departments with significantly higher or lower turns than others. Second, analyze any trends in department-level turns over time. A high-level turn value could indicate strong demand, but also potential understocking and a risk of stockouts or out-of-stock items. If so, the retailer should start using Opsuite's Restock Report to determine if adjustments to replenishment levels should occur. A low inventory turn value could indicate overstocking, slow-moving items, or inefficient inventory management. Lastly, once you've identified those departments with significant deviations, drill down further into the report by analyzing individual items within the department to identify problem areas such as slow-moving or fast-selling items. By analyzing turnover by product line, retailers can pinpoint slow-moving inventory. This allows them to take corrective action, such as adjusting prices, running promotions, or discontinuing products altogether. Otherwise, identifying patterns of fast-moving items allows retailers to improve their forecasting accuracy, leading to more informed purchasing decisions and reducing the risk of stockout. In either case, Opsuite's Restock Report will help determine if adjustments to replenishment levels should occur. Thank you for joining us today on how to utilize Opsuite stock turn data. Please see our other learning videos to expand your use of Opsuite's capabilities and take your retail operations to the next level.